Hi there. Today we're taking a look at the WTF fan or wild turbo fan. These can be bought for numerous reasons. I got this one for our Traxxas Max. We had a fan in that burned up and actually got some debris in there and chipped away at the blades. So we got a replacement one here and went with WTF. Highly recommend them. I've got one open here so you can kind of see what they all come with. Obviously the fan, high quality fan, you can see the edges of it and everything. Very well built. This plastic is very thick and durable. It's not going to break as soon as you put the machine screws in there. Nice little pigtail coming off to be able to plug in directly. It's got that. Comes with a little piece of plexi in case you need to put that over top of it as protection. 2 new machine screws to mount that down to it. And of course, the important part is the decals. Nice little sticker pack here from WTF. The one that we replaced in our Max is still running great. It's run a lot better and ran longer than the stock one that came in it. Does a great job of keeping everything cool. Spins at a much higher rate as well, so it keeps all those electronics nice and cool for you. Highly recommend it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.